This is Ljubljana. It's green and it's beautiful. Best way to feel the city is with Ljubljana Card. Why? Because you want photos for your timeline. Or you like coffee and impressionists. Or you prefer technical stuff like the oldest wooden wheel axle combination in the world, found here in Ljubljana Marshes. It doesn't matter because entrance to Museum of Illusions, to the National Gallery and to Ljubljana City Museum are included, as well as to 19 other museums and galleries. Are you looking for the best place to take selfies? Solved! Ljubljana Castle included. You like the view but hate climbing? Take the funny, take this, cause included. You wanna solve the mystery of the Tower 42? Take bus number 1, 3 or 8 hill and then go uphill. Yes, you guessed it. All the city buses are included. By the way, it's not a secret, it used to be Skidja. You like nature? Take Ljubljana City Bike included and discover the path of remembrance and comradeship which encircles Ljubljana. Or maybe you don't like trees, people or boats. By the way, ride with this boat or this boat included. Not a problem. With this card you get all the Wi-Fi you can handle. Even this electric train is included. Just go to visitljubljana.com, check the savings and buy it online at the airport or at Ljubljana Tourist Info Centers.